Why do the testes lie in the scrotum in human males? Option 1, to facilitate mating. Option 2, to aid in sperm formation. Option 3, to enable easy transfer of gametes. Option 4, all of the above. The answer is, option 2, to aid in sperm formation. Which of the following is not a function of testes at puberty? Option 1, formation of germ cells. Option 2, glycogenesis. Option 3, development of placenta. Option 4, secretion of estrogen. The answer is, option 3, development of placenta. What is the correct sequence of organs in the male reproductive system for the transport of sperms? Option 1, testis gives vas deferens gives urethra. Option 2, testis gives ureter gives urethra. Option 3, testis gives urethra gives ureter. Option 4, testis gives vas deferens gives ureter. The answer is, option 1, testis gives vas deferens gives urethra. In which type of reproduction does the exchange of genetic material occur? Option 1, vegetative reproduction. Option 2, asexual reproduction. Option 3, sexual reproduction. Option 4, budding. The answer is, option 3, sexual reproduction. What type of fertilization results in 1 red, 2 pink, and 1 white flower progeny? Option 1, double fertilization. Option 2, self-pollination. Option 3, cross-fertilization. Option 4, no fertilization. The answer is, option 3, cross-fertilization. Why did the progeny of a cross between a tall plant, TT, and a short pea plant, TT, all become tall? Option 1, tallness is the dominant trait. Option 2, shortness is the dominant trait. Option 3, tallness is the recessive trait. Option 4, height of pea plant is not governed by gene T or T. The answer is, option 1, tallness is the dominant trait. Which statement is incorrect regarding genes? Option 1, for every hormone there is a gene. Option 2, for every protein there is a gene. Option 3, for production of every enzyme there is a gene. Option 4, for every molecule of fat there is a gene. The answer is, option 4, for every molecule of fat there is a gene. What will be the characteristics of seeds produced when a round, green-seeded pea plant, RRYY, is crossed with a wrinkled, yellow-seeded pea plant, RRYY? Option 1, round and yellow. Option 2, round and green. Option 3, wrinkled and green. Option 4, wrinkled and yellow. The answer is, option 1, round and yellow. Which chromosome is unpaired in human males? Option 1, large chromosome and small chromosome. Option 2, Y chromosome. Option 3, Y chromosome and X chromosome. Option 4, small chromosome and X chromosome. The answer is, option 2, Y chromosome. What determines the maleness of a child? Option 1, the X chromosome in the zygote. Option 2, the Y chromosome in zygote. Option 3, the cytoplasm of germ cell which determines the sex. Option 4, sex is determined by chance. The answer is, option 2, the Y chromosome in zygote. What will be the sex of a zygote with an X- chromosome inherited from the father? Option 1, boy. Option 2, girl. Option 3, X- chromosome does not determine the sex of a child. Option 4, either boy or girl. The answer is, option 2, girl. Which statement is incorrect about the influence of gene frequency on evolution? Option 1, frequency of certain genes in a population change over several generations resulting in evolution. Option 2, reduction in weight of the organism due to starvation is genetically controlled. Option 3, low-weight parents can have heavyweight progeny. Option 4, traits which are not inherited over generations do not cause evolution. The answer is, option 2, reduction in weight of the organism due to starvation is genetically controlled. How may new species be formed? Option 1, DNA undergoes significant changes in germ cells and chromosome number changes in the gamete. Option 2, DNA undergoes significant changes in germ cells and there is no change in the genetic material. Option 3, chromosome number changes in the gamete and there is no change in the genetic material. Option 4, DNA undergoes significant changes in germ cells, chromosome number changes in the gamete, and there is no change in the genetic material. The answer is, option 1, DNA undergoes significant changes in germ cells and chromosome number changes in the gamete. In a basket of vegetables, which represent homologous structures. Option 1, carrot and potato. Option 2, carrot and tomato. Option 3, radish and carrot. Option 4, radish and potato. The answer is, option 4, radish and potato. Which statement correctly describes tendrils and phylloclades? Option 1, tendril of a pea plant and phylloclade of opuntia are homologous. Option 2, tendril of a pea plant and phylloclade of opuntia are analogous. Option 3, wings of birds and limbs of lizards are analogous. Option 4, wings of birds and wings of bat are homologous. The answer is, option 2, tendril of a pea plant and phylloclade of opuntia are analogous. What can be predicted if a fossil of an organism is found in the deeper layers of Earth? Option 1, the extinction of the organism has occurred recently. Option 2, the extinction of the organism has occurred thousands of years ago. Option 3, the fossil position in the layers of Earth is not related to its time of extinction. Option 4, time of extinction cannot be determined. The answer is, option 2, the extinction of the organism has occurred thousands of years ago. Which statement about variation is not true? Option 1, all variations in a species have equal chance of survival. Option 2, change in genetic composition results in variation. Option 3, selection of variants by environmental factors forms the basis of evolutionary processes. Option 4, variation is minimum in asexual reproduction. The answer is, option 1, all variations in a species have equal chance of survival. By which factors is a trait in an organism influenced? Option 1, paternal DNA only. Option 2, maternal DNA only. Option 3, both maternal and paternal DNA. Option 4, neither by paternal nor by maternal DNA. The answer is, option 3, both maternal and paternal DNA. Which group shares the maximum number of common characters? Option 1, 2 individuals of a species. Option 2, 2 species of a genus. Option 3, 2 genera of a family. Option 4, 2 genera of 2 families. The answer is, option 1, 2 individuals of a species. According to evolutionary theory, what generally causes the formation of a new species? Option 1, sudden creation by nature. Option 2, accumulation of variations over several generations. Option 3, clones formed during asexual reproduction. Option 4, movement of individuals from one habitat to another. The answer is, option 2, accumulation of variations over several generations. Which characteristic can be acquired but not inherited? Option 1, color of eye. Option 2, color of skin. Option 3, size of body. Option 4, nature of hair. The answer is, option 2, color of skin. Where are the 2 versions of a trait, character, brought by male and female gametes located? Option 1, copies of the same chromosome. Option 2, 2 different chromosomes. Option 3, sex chromosomes. Option 4, any chromosome. The answer is, option 2, 2 different chromosomes. Which statement accurately describes characteristics of genes? Option 1, genes are specific sequence of bases in a DNA molecule and a gene does not code for proteins. Option 2, genes are specific sequence of bases in a DNA molecule and in individuals of a given species. A specific gene is located on a particular chromosome. Option 3, genes are specific sequence of bases in a DNA molecule and each chromosome has only one gene. Option 4, a gene does not code for proteins and each chromosome has only one gene. In a cross between a pure tall plant, TT, and a short plant, TT, what is the ratio of pure tall plants to short plants in F2? Option 1, 1:3, Option 2, 3:1, Option 3, 1:1, Option 4, 2:1. The answer is, Option 2, 3:1. How many pairs of sex chromosomes are present in the zygote of humans? Option 1, 1, Option 2, 2, Option 3, 3, Option 4, 4. The answer is, Option 2, 2. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Option 1, Mendel, Option 2, Darwin, Option 3, Morgan, Option 4, Lamarck. The answer is, Option 2, Darwin. In the context of evolution, what does the presence of feathers in dinosaurs and birds indicate? Option 1, reptiles have evolved from birds. Option 2, there is no evolutionary connection between reptiles and birds. Option 3, feathers are homologous structures in both organisms. Option 4, birds have evolved from reptiles. The answer is, Option 4, birds have evolved from reptiles. What is the distance between an object and its image in a plane mirror if the object is 0.25 m away? Option 1, 0.25 m, Option 2, 1.0 m, Option 3, 0.5 m, Option 4, 0.125 m. The answer is, Option 3, 0.5 m. What is the angle of incidence for a ray of light with zero reflection angle? Option 1, 0 degrees, Option 2, 30 degrees, Option 3, 45 degrees, Option 4, 90 degrees. The answer is, Option 1, 0 degrees. Which type of mirror can produce a real image for a real object? Option 1, plane mirror, Option 2, concave mirror, Option 3, concave lens, Option 4, convex mirror. The answer is, Option 2, concave mirror. Which mirror is used by dentists to examine cavities? Option 1, convex mirror, Option 2, plane mirror, Option 3, concave mirror, Option 4, combination of convex and concave mirrors. The answer is, Option 3, concave mirror. What is the focal length of a concave mirror if an object 30 cm away forms an image at the same point? Option 1, -30 cm, Option 2, 30 cm, Option 3, -15 cm, Option 4, +15 cm. The answer is, Option 3, -15 cm. What happens to the image when an object is moved towards a convex mirror? Option 1, shortened and real, Option 2, enlarged and real, Option 3, enlarged and virtual, Option 4, diminished and virtual. The answer is, Option 4, diminished and virtual. How does a concave mirror's focal length change in water? Option 1, 15, Option 2, 20, Option 3, 30, Option 4, 0. The answer is, Option 4, 0. Where should an object be placed in front of a concave mirror with a focal length of 20 cm to form a twice-sized virtual image? Option 1, 25 cm, Option 2, 40 cm, Option 3, 10 cm, Option 4, at infinity. The answer is, option 3, 10 centimeters. Where should an object be placed for a concave mirror to form a real, inverted, same-sized image? Option 1, at the focus, option 2, at the center of curvature, option 3, between focus and center of curvature, option 4, beyond the center of curvature. The answer is, option 3, between focus and center of curvature. What is the nature of the image formed by a concave mirror when the object is between the focus and the center of curvature? Option 1, real, inverted, and diminished, option 2, virtual, erect, and smaller, option 3, real, inverted, and enlarged, option 4, virtual, upright, and enlarged. The answer is, option 3, real, inverted, and enlarged. What kind of image does a convex mirror form when the object is closer than the focal point? Option 1, real, inverted, and diminished, option 2, real, inverted, and enlarged, option 3, virtual, upright, and diminished, option 4, virtual, upright, and enlarged. The answer is, option 3, virtual, upright, and diminished. What is the focal length of a concave shaving mirror producing an erect image 1.5 times the size of a face 25 centimeters away? Option 1, 75 centimeters, option 2, 25 centimeters, option 3, 15 centimeters, option 4, 60 centimeters. The answer is, option 1, 75 centimeters. What happens to the speed and wavelength of light as it travels from a rarer to a denser medium? Option 1, increased velocity, option 2, decreased velocity, option 3, decreased wavelength, option 4, both B and C. The answer is, option 4, both B and C. When are the angle of incidence and refraction equal in a transparent slab? Option 1, 0 degrees, option 2, 45 degrees, option 3, 90 degrees, option 4, depends on the material of the slab. The answer is, option 1, 0 degrees. Why is the refractive index of a transparent medium greater than 1? Option 1, speed of light in vacuum less than speed of light in medium, option 2, speed of light in vacuum greater than speed of light in medium, option 3, speed of light in vacuum equals speed of light in medium, option 4, frequency of light wave changes. The answer is, option 2, speed of light in vacuum greater than speed of light in medium. What is the speed of light in water if its refractive index is 1.33? Option 1, 1.33 multiply by 10 to the power of 8 m divided by s, option 2, 3 multiply by 10 to the power of 8 m divided by s, option 3, 2.26 multiply by 10 to the power of 8 m divided by s, option 4, 2.66 multiply by 10 to the power of 8 m divided by s. The answer is, option 3, 2.26 multiply by 10 to the power of 8 m divided by s. Which medium, A, B, or C, has the fastest light speed if their refractive indices are 1.33, 1.65, and 1.46? Option 1, A, option 2, B, option 3, C, option 4, equal in all. The answer is, option 1, A. Where does light from the sun converge after passing through a convex lens? Option 1, center of curvature, option 2, focus, option 3, radius of curvature, option 4, optical center. The answer is, option 2, focus. What happens to the image when a convex lens with black stripes on its surface is used? Option 1, a zebra of black stripes, option 2, a horse of black stripes, option 3, a horse of less brightness, option 4, a zebra of less brightness. The answer is, option 3, A horse of less brightness. What type of image is always formed by a divergent lens? Option 1, always real, Option 2, always virtual, Option 3, both real and virtual, Option 4, none. The answer is, Option 2, always virtual. Where does the image shift when an object moves closer to a convex lens? Option 1, away from the lens, Option 2, towards the lens, Option 3, first towards, then away, Option 4, first away, then towards. The answer is, Option 1, away from the lens. Where does the image shift when an object moves closer to a concave lens? Option 1, away from the lens on the same side, Option 2, towards the lens, Option 3, away from the lens on the other side, Option 4, first towards, then away. The answer is, Option 2, towards the lens. When does a convex lens form a magnified real image? Option 1, at f, Option 2, between f and 2f, Option 3, at 2f, Option 4, both A and B. The answer is, Option 4, both A and B. What is the focal length called in a convex lens? Option 1, optical center, Option 2, center of curvature, Option 3, focal length, Option 4, principal axis. The answer is, Option 3, focal length. What is the focal length of a concave mirror if a 10 mm awl pin placed 30 cm away forms a 5 mm image? Option 1, minus 30 cm, Option 2, minus 20 cm, Option 3, minus 40 cm, Option 4, minus 60 cm. The answer is, Option 2, minus 20 cm. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch the complete MCQ question bank video available on my channel. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.